Hi guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. In this video, I will introduce the Japanese a little. Without lingering, just go straight to the video. Japanese tribe. What is Japanese? The Japanese are the largest ethnic group in Indonesia. This tribe is famous for their manners, gentle and polite. The people are not only in Java but are scattered throughout Indonesia. The Japanese have a tradition of performance such as wayang kuda lumping, reog, and so on. The first one is batik. Batik is one of Indonesia's most famous traditional cultural heritages, both domestically and internationally. Each region can be said to have its own distinctive motif and meaning. For example, Parangkusumo batik, batik slogan, Sekar Jagad batik, Garutan batik, batik Palace, Kaum batik, and others. Well, besides, this is Parangkusumo batik, which has the meaning of describing by struggle to find freedom both physically and spiritually, which is like the fragrance of flowers kusuma. The second one is kebaya. Kebaya is one of the traditional clothing that comes from culture Indonesian people, especially most commonly found in Java tribe. Kebaya are usually made of thin materials, one of which uses lightweight fabrics, namely like the picture I saw. The front is covered with a brooch, while the lower part of this garment is usually worn with a long piece of the wrapped around the waist in the form of batik. As one heard, kebaya is patterns and gentleness are the meaning stored in kebaya. If you pay close attention, cut of the kebaya always follows shape of the body. This means that Japanese women are required to be able to adapt and take care of themselves wherever they can. The third one is Tusukunde and Blancon. Tusukunde, or cat, also be called the Cunduk Mentul, is one of the headdresses used for Japanese traditional brides. This Cunduk Mentul is installed facing the back. This means that the bride has a beautiful face both from the front and the back. This Cunduk Mentul is used at the event weddings. Blancon is a headgear made of batik cloth, and it is used by men as a complement to traditional Japanese clothes. This blancon is usually used at weddings and traditional events. The fourth one is Gambyong dance. Gambyong dance is a form of classical Japanese dance originating from the Surakarta region. At first, the Gambyong dance was only danced by one dancer, but over time the number of dancers became 3 until 5 and was not even limited in number. This dancer is usually for performing art and welcoming guests. The fifth is joglo. Joglo is a traditional Japanese house. A Japanese traditional house is divided into two parts, namely the main house and an additional. The joglo house is in the form of a tajuk that resembles a mountain. Initially, the joglo house is in the form of a square with 4 pillars in the middle. Then, to support the pillars, a stacked beam colored in intercropping is used. And the sixth is Japanese traditional foods. Getuk. Getuk is a traditional Japanese food made from boiled cassava. The cassava is then ground, added with sugar, then shaped into a square or as needed, and coconut with a sprinkling of grated coconut. The presence of mobile getuk sellers has its own unique trends. They use loud music by playing dangdut or campur sari. And now videos from me. Thank you for watching.